Hey guys, I'm Luke Beasley, the proud owner of Relentless Training Core, a certified strength conditioning specialist and nutritionist. At RTC, we believe that the personal and impersonal training is largely ignored in most client-trainer relationships. And so our mission is to reclaim that true spirit of partnering that will be our catalyst to achieving and exceeding your goals. Now, I'm excited you're viewing this video because it tells me to at least some degree you're ready for change and in need of assistance. But I will admit, I don't want to be your assistant. I want to encourage you, guide you, and support you to reaching your goals. I want to be your coach. So join me on my 3-month transformation program. The 3-month The 3-month transformation program is designed with busy lives in mind. We don't always have time or the finances to schedule a meeting with a trainer multiple times a week. This program overcomes such obstacles. It's an affordable program geared to coach people like you in exercise, proper eating habits, nutritional do's and don'ts, while keeping them accountable and consistent with their busy lives. Sounds too easy, right? The program actually starts like this. Complete the sign-up forms on the website and the payment details. Then you will be emailed a voucher code with a link. Put the voucher code on the login screen with the link. Then you will be sent the official Welcome to the Transformation email. And in that email, you'll be given the details to download the RTC app. The program can be accessed in 2 different locations, on the RTC app or the RTC login on the web portal. But for a better and more consistent experience, I would encourage you to try to use the app. Once you've logged into the app in the web portal, there'll be some videos to watch, some PDFs to read, and some forms to complete. Now, how does the program actually work? First, exercise. There are 2 workouts to choose from, at home or at the gym. The workouts are geared to 3 times per week, and so you could actually work out 6 times per week, 3 at home and 3 at the gym if you're really ambitious. And halfway through the program, you'll receive completely new workouts. Second is habit formation. These habits begin simple and actually may seem too simple, but they work. The first 3 habits are crucial. They are the foundation for the rest of the program. The first one you actually get to choose for yourself. The next ones I choose for you. Each habit will only last for approximately 2 weeks. Most of the habits are building blocks, which means each additional habit builds upon the previous. So once you finish a habit, maintain it as you begin the next one. However, a few habits are only done for that specific 2 weeks to either challenge you or to gather some information. Third is nutritional lessons. Much of the information in these lessons you may already know, but there may be some you don't. I'll try to teach you things like how to eat for your body type. How much fat are you supposed to eat? Are carbs bad? How does your body metabolize fat? What's the deal with protein? Why is it so good for you? Is sleep really that important?
And how much wood a woodchuck could chuck, if a woodchuck could chuck wood.
Fourth is some basic meal plans and recipes to kind of give you a guide of things to eat and how to organize a plate. Fifth is progress checkups and remeasurements to see if we are maintaining and making progress toward our goals. And sixth is community. If you're not already on the RTC Facebook group, please join that as soon as you can. Plus, within the app, there is a messaging tab. This is a place where anyone doing the 3-month transformation program has contact to each other and can support and encourage each other along the way. So now that you have watched this whole video, I know that you're serious. So I would encourage you to sign up soon. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Start today. I'm not trying to rush you so I can get your money, although money is nice. But don't try to wait till the perfect time to start, because the perfect time is never going to come. Start as soon as you can. And listen, I will help you the best I can in navigating this journey. But now the ball is in your court, and I look forward to coaching you soon.